with Water Adventures, and today we're at the Neuseway Nature Park, and we're going to be doing some magnet fishing. So let's go. So while we are driving to the location to go magnet fishing, I'll tell you a little bit about the Neuseway Nature Park. So growing up, we used to come out here all the time for field trips with 4-H in the school. There is one building here that houses animals that are native to eastern North Carolina, such as raccoons, possums, everything in that sort, like foxes, bears. Then a couple years later, they built the planetarium with support of the hospital. So the first floor of the planetarium is about health and about the hospital. Then the second floor is the planetarium about space. Then I don't know if this has been here the whole time, but they have a campsite here where you can bring your RVs, your tents, or wherever you want to, just camp out. Have family functions. They have a covered picnic area so you can grill out. I don't know if these have been back here the whole time because I've never been back here fishing before, but they have built 2 docks and 2 different ponds back here to go fishing. And it is always busy back here. So in recent years, after the hurricanes have flooded the area, they've redone the whole area. They've added 2 floating docks out here so people can go fishing, and it is packed all the time. So I'm going to see if we can't get some magnet fishing gold today out here. Hopefully we can. So this first dock I'm going to is right here on the map. The second one we're going to go to is this one on the map. So we have made it to our first dock, so let's go. Got a bottle cap on my first throw. Nice, got a fish hook. Nice lure. Check that out. Got 2 hooks, 2 bottle caps. Got 2 more hooks and a battery. Another battery, another lure, 2 lures. All right, so we're done at this fishing dock. Got a whole bunch of hooks and batteries, I guess from people out here night fishing, trying to put batteries in their headlamps. So let's go to the next one. So I didn't realize the battery died in my camera, but I got this and that, part of a fishing rod. Reel. Nice. Got a hook and a leader and another hook. Cool. I got a fishing pole. Nice. Heck yeah. Wow. Piece of chain. There must be something down there. There's something right there. I'm trying to get it. It might be a chain. So together. More chain. I think that's what I'm hitting down there is a chain.
What do you catch?
Some old nails and some rocks. Some more rocks. Alright guys, we found a lot of stuff today. So let's go back to the house and clean up everything and see what we got. So we found a lot of items yesterday from the magnet fishing trip at the Neuseway Nature Park. We got 2 batteries. We got 4 bottle caps. I got some parts to a fishing reel. I found 15 hooks. I got a whole bunch of lures. This is the nicest one I've got. I found some chain. And I found a leader with some hooks on it. But the biggest thing we found yesterday was this. It is a child's fishing pole, but it is a Star Wars fishing pole. So I looked it up. It is a ray fishing pole from Zebco. This part is supposed to light up, but obviously it's not going to light up anymore because it was underwater for a long time. But I got it on nice and clean and it works. So we are going to keep this. I'm excited for that. So thanks for joining us on our magnet fishing trip to the Neuseway Nature Park. Hope y'all enjoyed it. See you soon. Hey guys, did you enjoy that magnet fishing video? Then check us out on our YouTube channel at Waller Adventures. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to get notified on when we post more videos. Also check us out on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching. See you soon.